It says rock, paper, scissors is a hand game played by two or more people. We all know what that is. AP stat class, you want to evaluate whether players choose between these three options randomly or if certain options are favored above others. So we're going to assume it's random. We're going to assume paper, rock, and scissors all happen at the exact same amount of times, and then we're going to try and show otherwise. So if they all happen at the exact same amount of times, we expect rock to be 1/3. So I'll just say probability of rock to be 0.3. We'll do 1/3, make it better. Probability of paper would be 1/3. And probability of scissors would be 1/3. So we expect them all to be the same. So we're going to say that the distribution of every single hand is going to be the same, or it's going to be uniform. Okay, so how many times did they play? Well, I guess we can just add these up to find that number. They played 43 plus 21 plus 35. They played 99 times. Okay, so if you're throwing rock a third, paper a third, and scissors a third, you would expect there to be 33 rock. This is going to be my expected. 33 paper and 33 scissors. So I'm just going to use in my stat list, clear out what I have there from the last problem. Clear out what I have there. So I will put the observed in here, 43, 21, and 35. And then I will put my expected, which would be 33, 33, 33. Okay, now I go back to stat, over to the chi-square goodness of fit test. My observed is L1, my expected is L2. There's 3 categories, so my degree of freedom is 2. I'm going to calculate. So I get a test statistic of 7.52. I get degrees of freedom would be 2. And then what's the last question? The p-value is 0.0233. Which is less than alpha equals 0.05. So the P is low, so we'll reject HO. So we'll reject the null. Okay, we'll reject the fact that it's uniform. So then it says, discuss the conclusion. The data does not provide sufficient evidence to claim that rock, papers, and scissors are not chosen equally. No, that's the opposite one. The data does show that they're not chosen equally. So there's your answer to that one.